guys, something cool for you. When you're planting this summer, all right, you've trimmed all your trees back and you've got all that extra stuff, don't throw it away, don't burn it. Chop it up, and what we're going to actually do is, we're a little late on this, but we're starting a flower bed right here. And we're going to fill the whole bottom with all of that wood and all that foliage. Now we want it to be fresh green wood. So we just chopped all this stuff down yesterday. You don't want it to be some old, decaying wood. And what you're going to do is you're going to put a whole layer of that wood down. Then we're going to come back.
Come on, turn the radio.